in this video, I'm gonna go over how to set up Java and Eclipse on your home computer. And you do need a computer for these instructions. So a Chromebook won't work here, but you'll need either a desktop or a laptop computer. And I'm on a PC, so if you have a Mac, this might look a little bit different, but the steps should be roughly the same. Okay, so the two things we need are Java and Eclipse. Okay, so Java is just the programming language that we write our programs in. So you need like special software to recognize the Java commands we're going to type. And then Eclipse is what's called an IDE, or an individual development environment, which is just the program you use to type out the commands. And they're the ones we're using in class. So I would do Java first. I definitely would do them in this order. And so all I would do here is just type install Java, like do a Google search, and it should be hopefully the first link. And again, it's going to start to look different based on your operating system. So if I go through Windows here, I'm going to do the online one, so they have download and install Java for Windows. And part of the problem with this is they change these sites so often. So I'm making this in August of 2024, so this might look different for you even a few months later. But anyways, there's basically just hit this download and install and manual download. And then I would just do this online one. So click that and then just, download it from there and then run that exe once you've got it downloaded. Okay, and so for Mac, it looks probably pretty similar. They just have a different download site. So I'm going to go back a couple steps here. Look at the Mac one for you. So Mac, here's the instructions for Java and Mac. Yeah, and then it just looks like the same thing. You're going to end up downloading this file. So we click here and get, where the heck is it now? Nope, so maybe I'm doing the wrong thing here. Sorry. How do I install it on Mac? So I'm struggling to find the download page here. So the Mac one I'm struggling with a little bit. Sorry. But you got to get to that download page, and it should be similar. It looks like this. They got the steps here. I'm just struggling to figure out where the heck you get this file from. But but there's back a couple pages. There was a download one. But anyways, follow these directions here for the Mac. Sorry for butchering that explanation. Okay, and then once you got Java installed, next you're going to do download Eclipse. And then just click on the first link. Alright, and then I clicked this one to download, and then, I had to pick my operating system a second ago, so I don't know why this looks different, but make sure you pick the right Mac or Windows one, and then you'll just get an exe, and then just run it. So I already got mine here in my downloads, right here, and then once you got it, just run the exe. And there's a bunch of options here, so I want to show you the one that will be the best for this class, if this ever loads. So you just want the one that's the IDE for Java developers, because you can write programs in C and C++, and this is an Eclipse version that'll help you make websites, but we want this one. And there's one for apps too, if you're into apps. Well, there used to be. Maybe there's not anymore. But anyways, we just want this one for the IDE for Java developers. Okay, and then click that and then follow the steps and get it loaded. Okay, so hopefully that walks you through it, and if you need help, please ask. I've even had kids bring in their laptops and stuff if they're struggling, and then I can help them get it installed. Okay, and once you got it installed, I think, make sure you can run a program. I think somewhere in here we got our steps for the first program. So here's the lesson for getting that first program. So once you've got it installed, make sure you can make a Java program and get everything running at home, because you will probably end up doing some assignments at home. So, all right, that is it. Please let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching.